Hey Mario, Jessica Peterson here. We spoke earlier today. Thank you so much for speaking with me and accepting this free video. Did you know that your online presence and website can be like a virtual cash machine to you guys, drawing in new jobs every month? It's true. And I'm going to give you just the top 3 tips you guys can start applying right away to start bringing in those jobs. All right, so we're going to cover citations, content, and then finally backlinks. So let's start where the customers start. On the customer journey, when a customer needs your services, they don't necessarily know who you are and what your business name is. They're actually searching for the services you offer. So they're going to use search terms or keywords like water damage restoration Los Angeles. So it's really important that your business show up for the search terms that they're searching so they can hire you. Now, there are 3 spots on Google that any business can own positioning in. The first spot that a business can own positioning in are going to be your ads. Those are going to be your call to click ads and local service ads. But only about 10% of people generally click through on those ads. So the next section is actually more important. This is your Google Business Profile or Google Map Pack. Now, nearly 30% of people go straight to the maps here. So it is really important that your business be showing up in the top 3 in your area for each of the services that you offer. When you're not, you're leaving money on the table and you're sending all of those jobs to these top competitors. Now, there are several factors that go in to ranking in the top 3, and the most important is something called citations, which is the name of the business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories across the internet. Directories would be things like the Better Business Bureau, Yellow Pages, Glassdoor, Yelp, and yes, even your social media pages are citations. So you need to have a lot more of those citations across the internet because each one are little signals to Google that send signals to say, hey, this is a legitimate company, these are the services they offer, and these are the type of customers that you need to send them. So the more of those you have, the more signals Google's get to give you that authority. So, according to Google, the top 3 generally have at least 150 of those citations. And for businesses that aren't in the top 3, generally we're finding they have 50 or less citations. So, since you're not in the top 3 for the relevant searches, that would tell me you probably need to triple the amount of citations you have so you can give yourself a good boost. And then please remember this section is very fluid, so don't just set it and forget it once you get your ranking. You got to keep updating every month, updating with new photos, updates, etc. And then the third section, the most important section, this is your organic section. Now, you want to be here, not just your home page, but your service pages, your service area pages. You want to be showing here in the organic section because 60 to 70% of all people will skip everything else. They'll skip over the ads, they'll skip over the maps, and they'll come right here. So again, if you're not listed here, you're missing out on a ton of potential jobs. But how do you guys get here? Well, that all comes down to your website. So let's take a look. Your website, in order to get those top organic listings, has to be properly built and optimized. And Google's don't just rank your website because it looks pretty. It's not about how it looks. It's about content. Content is everything when it comes to ranking. Google sends little crawlers to your website to learn about you. So you need to have separate service pages for all of your major services, all with their own original content with local keywords people are searching for your services. So each page needs to have their own service. Each service needs to have their own page so you can build that written content around those keywords. Content is also considered images. So you want to make sure all of your images are properly optimized. So you're hiding your keywords behind that. So for instance, you have ARG, water damage restoration. Great. You need to take that a step further and put your location. So if you're serving Los Angeles, this should say water damage restoration Los Angeles. That's a high volume keyword. So you want those in these images as long as they're relevant. On top of the images and videos is the written content. This is the most important content because, as I said, Google's sending those crawlers to your website to learn about you. So if you don't have this content, then Google doesn't know who you are, can't rank you, and can't put you in front of your customers. So your homepage should be a summary of each of your major services as well as information about you. And it needs to have a large amount of content. We're looking for at least 1,500 words of content or more, depending on what your competitors are doing. And that content should be keyword rich with your local keywords, and understand that you need to have that exact match keyword. For instance, water damage restoration Los Angeles, at least 3 times on your website with that proper repetition so it can be indexed, so Google understands that's what you do. And then you need 150 words for every keyword you're going to target. So you really do need a lot of that written content. You don't just want any generic information. It's gotta relate to your customers. It needs to be conversational, so that they are relating to it and interacting and contacting you. So it's really important, the type of content, not just generic stuff just to get keywords in there. And then you need to take it a step further. Since you're serving all of Southern California, you need to have service area pages. All those major communities that you're serving needs to have their own page for each of these services as well, so you can build out content around those services and the areas you serve so that you can show up everywhere you serve for all your services. Let's take a look at your top competitor for Los Angeles water damage. Here we have ServPro. Now, ServPro is a franchise, and I know that makes a lot of people nervous, but really there's no reason to be. They're a franchise. So this specific location, these franchisees, they have just a regular templated version of a website. They don't have the ability to update or define their own keyword strategy. They get what they get. Most of these guys can't do any editing. So you guys have that advantage. You can optimize your content to do better and to work with your own unique strategy. These guys can only service so many zip codes, and you have a much wider scope and area. So you can really define that content and strategy to hit the customers. You just want to make sure that you're doing better. So you have more content, more images, more mentions of those keywords, and just be more helpful to your customers. Okay. And then support your website with SEO. So that gets us into backlinks. Now, this is Ahrefs. It's a paid program we use to tell us about how companies' websites are performing. So as we can see here, you guys have a rating of a 0 out of 100 in Google's Trust Flow, which means Google doesn't trust your website yet. That has to do both with the content on your website, but more importantly, the power you're sending to your website. You need backlinks. You need a lot of backlinks, but you need to understand that not all backlinks are good. This is a popularity contest. You need to make sure those backlinks are relevant to your business, the services you offer. So you want to be linking to similar types of businesses or home service businesses. It's basically like them telling Google, hey, ARG is a reputable company and we highly recommend them. Okay, so we need to send your website lots of power to give Google that trust and authority. If you think of this as like the backlinks and referring domains, kind of like your favorite power tool, right? It doesn't work without that power. So a referring domain is any website that provides your website with a link to the website, and the backlinks that physical link. So if you think your power tool, you're going to plug that in to that power source, and that power source is going to send power through that cord, which is like the backlink, and it's going to fire up your favorite power tool. And in this case, it's going to fire up your website. So we need good quality continuous power to give us that authority so Google will promote your website and get it ranking. And because you don't really have any relevant content on your website, you've only been indexed for one keyword and you're getting zero actual traffic to your website. If we look at what you've been indexed for, it's only your brand name, which only has a search volume of about 20, and you're not even ranking for it. There's 10 spots per page on Google, and you're at the bottom of the second page. Okay, if we actually look at good quality keywords, these are specifically just in Los Angeles for water, but if you were actually indexed for water damage restoration in Los Angeles, there's a 700 search volume every single month just for that keyword alone. So if you were to optimize your website with your content keyword strategy that I just explained to you, you have the potential of capturing this kind of traffic. And this is just for one service in one area. So you can imagine how many jobs that you could have coming in just by applying these strategies. If we look at ServPro, they have a high rating, but we don't care because we're not completing against the whole website, just this one area. And that rating is only a 3.7, and they only have 20 backlinks. So they're not great quality backlinks, or they'd have a much higher power here. But they have been indexed for more keywords. They have more content. And so they're getting more traffic, and they're able to do that because the power of the website as a whole, not just the backlinks they've gotten. So if we look at their keywords, we can see they have all those good location money keywords here with tons of volume, and their position on the first page. So these guys are definitely beatable, but you have to apply the strategies that I've shown you. So now if you apply each of these strategies, your website does have the ability to not only compete, but dominate in each of these areas and turn your online presence into your digital cash machine. Hopefully you found this to be helpful, and you can absolutely do this on your own. But if you would rather have us do it for you and get it done faster, we can discuss that as well and help you guys out. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out, give us a call, and we'd be glad to chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.